Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. I am Arjun Antisa. My task is to report to you the functions of review of related literature and studies. The first function of RRL is to provide a theoretical background of your study. It has value even before the first step. That is, when you are merely thinking about a research question that you may want to find answers to through your research journey. In the initial stages of research, it helps you to establish the theoretical roots of your study, clarify your ideas, and develop your research methodology. The second function of RRL is it helps you establish the link between what you are proposing to examine and what has already been studied. Since an important responsibility in research is to compare your findings with those of others, it is here that the literature review plays an extremely important role. Later in the process, the literature review serves to enhance and consolidate your own knowledge base and helps you to integrate your findings with the existing body of knowledge. The third function of the review of related literature. During the write-ups of your report, it helps you to integrate your findings with existing knowledge, that is, to either support or contradict earlier research. The higher the academic level of your research, the more important a thorough integration of your findings with existing literature becomes. In relation to your own study, the literature review can help you in 4 ways. The first one is it can bring clarity and focus to your research problem. Second, it can improve your research methodology. Number 3, it can broaden your knowledge based on your research area. And number 4, contextualize your findings. Number 1, bringing clarity and focus to your research problem. The literature review can play an extremely important role in shaping your research problem because the process of reviewing the literature helps you to understand the subject better and thus helps you to conceptualize your research problem clearly and precisely and makes it more relevant and pertinent to your field of inquiry. Number 2, improving your research methodology. A literature tells you if others have used procedures and methods similar to the ones that you are proposing, which procedures and methods have worked well for them, and what problems they have faced with them. By becoming aware of any problems, you will be better positioned to select a methodology that is capable of providing valid answers to your research questions. Number 3, broadening your knowledge based on your research area. A thorough literature review helps you to understand how the findings of your study fit into the existing body of knowledge. Number 4, enabling you to contextualize your findings. Undertaking a literature review will enable you to compare your findings with those of others and answer these questions. It is important to place your findings in the context of what is already known in your field of inquiry. This ends my report. Thank you very much for listening.